Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sonny, and today I'm going to be showing you all of my fidgets. And we're starting, and before we do anything, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my newest videos. It's the bell beside the subscribe button, and make sure you hit that bell. Let's get started. So my first thing is I have a fidget pad, yellow and black fidget pad. It has like a click thingy, spinner, this thingy, and clickers. I hate you. I'm sorry, my room's a mess. This kid messed it up.
It really is.
She messed it up. She messed it up.
What do you mean, kid? We're the same age.
Dude, she messed it up.
I know I did, because I sat here and did
Ow!
this. Sorry. I know I did, because I sat here and did this. Oh yeah, you can touch the ceiling.
Good. Okay.
I've never touched the ceiling in
Okay,
your house.
so now
Your ceilings are tall.
Now I got all my poppets. Count my poppets.
Why?
I don't know. Just count them.
You have 10 here. 11. 12,
I didn't know I have more than that.
13, 14.
And some more at my
15,
grandma's.
16, 17.
Is that all of them?
Yeah, this one isn't
No, I
yours.
have way more than 17 poppets.
This one isn't yours.
That
I
is
brought
not
this. I brought this.
Where are all my fidgets?
At your grandma's?
Oh. Okay, well, anyways.
Starting with my least favorite.
Shut. Get out of. I'm just kidding. Okay, anyways.
It's so hard, but it's still here. It's still part of the group.
I'm just gonna show everything really fast.
If this is color changing,
I don't really want to be doing this tonight, but I have to because I didn't do it last night. Because I'm really tired.
she has a purple needle.
Turn on the TV, I swear. I don't know how. Not freaking turn it on. Okay.
She has a pile of noodles, which she'll show you in a second.
They're called ramen noodles.
Yeah, I just
Why
said
the heck
ramen.
did you do that?
I said noodles. I meant ramen noodles. I love these.
Excuse me.
Yeah, you can take those.
Strawberry needle. You show them, and I'll show. I'll take all the stuff you'll take out is in this.
A squishy unicorn.
It's not.
Slow rise thingy.
I'll put it on a shelf.
Pop tubes. And more pop tubes. This, which I traded to her. Wait, no, I didn't trade this to you.
Should we put on Cobra Kai or Fatherhood?
I don't know. It's up to you. This from a popped DNA ball.
What, you popped it? Oh.
No.
Wait, so Fatherhood, oh, dude. Oh my
A
goodness.
bunch of marble mesh. Well, actually, 3 marble mesh. We already showed you, but this fidget pad, which I love, I want so bad, but I don't think she'll trade it.
No.
We already showed you the needle. Now, new stuff. This snake.
This I will be playing with.
That putty's nasty.
Shut up.
Oh, wait, no, that's not the nasty stuff. That's the good stuff. Somebody else had the nasty stuff. I think it was Naomi, but this spiky ball.
Lemon
And this
slime.
actually spiky ball I actually like. This incupressure ring, which I like a lot more than mine because it's like...
It's called a coil ring.
Everybody says incupressure ring.
Anchor pressure ring?
Yeah, and coil ring. I've never heard coil ring, excuse me. But coil ring. Okay, we'll call it a coil ring. These two coil rings
Where's all the pops?
Like
in
I
this
said,
one?
coil rings. Now, a dimple
I
spinner.
hate this movie. It's so sad.
What is it?
I mean, I don't hate it. I love it. Actually.
What is it?
Fatherhood.
I don't know what it is.
So sad.
What is it?
It's basically he loses his wife while she was pregnant. Not pregnant. Well, when she was having her baby, and it's really sad. Me and Mommy cried when we were watching it. I
Okay,
was
can you
like,
put something else on? Can you put like Darman or something on?
no,
Why?
because I don't want to watch. I don't even have a YouTube on
A
here.
bunch of banoodles or monkey noodles. Did I say banoodles? Whatever. Monkey noodles.
And you guys got to stay in tune for my tack ups with my
rubber
horse.
chicken.
With my horse Oliver, and we're gonna be just showing you
Bike
everything.
chain.
That will be soon.
An orange needle. Part of a tangle.
The both of you are gonna get through
This
this.
gives me bowling shoe
Because the
vibes.
Lord
Without the
Oh,
yellow. 2 bouncy balls.
just gonna pick
bowling shoe
yourself up
vibes.
Without the
this
yellow.
wonderful special guy you've always
This pea
I
popper.
don't need you to tie up my shoe. Don't tie it, Mom.
Another.
I don't need you to tie my shoe.
Popper.
Don't tie it, Ma.
A wacky track. I'm probably gonna make a snapper out of this. But while I do that,
We have to do
I've
this.
never seen this movie.
What do you mean by so?
I don't think it's exactly
Baby's
meant for
not due
kids,
for
but I
another
watch
2
a lot
weeks.
of
It
stuff that
is.
isn't
You're on
exactly
your
watch
meant
it with my
for
mom.
And your
kids.
daughter's already a healthy
Dude,
So
son.
it's
we're
fine.
13.
Let's get her out.
It's a girl. I just heard.
Okay,
She
so-
said.
Sorry.
I don't watch a lot of
Find
stuff
out.
that's really meant for
You
kids
knew that
anymore.
you were a
But
regular doctor.
wacky
Chose this
track.
week all weeks to go to Maui, which is
I
insane.
didn't make a
Why not
snapper.
go body
I
surf?
traded this to
You're just
her,
our
but
first kid.
this
Also,
because I
she's
don't
still
like
breathing, so I
unicorns.
want to schedule a
I just
cesarean
wanted a
this
mini
evening.
puppet.
For this evening.
This.
I don't
guy.
like unicorns either. I just wanted a mini
Are
puppet.
you serious? See, I knew I should have taken care of it. You told me to take it off my list.
Because I wanted you to take it off your list.
This.
I'm handling it. I got it.
That's really reassuring.
Honey, I'm handling
Are you
it.
really ready for
This.
this?
This.
Yes. No, who's really ready? And then what does that mean? When you say, are you really ready for this?
This.
This evening, can we do it tomorrow?
What is that? Oh, that's
They have a fantasy football draft.
Okay, guys.
So,
So-
And this.
put a nice little pool
Fidgets
together.
are so stress relieving.
Why don't you take
You know
these
what?
seats?
I think they're more fun to play with
It's a good one.
than stress relieving. To be fun.
All right.
To be
Yeah. My hands
Honest.
are sweating.
to be honest, yeah.
You can think of the word honest. Wait, do you remember the other day when I couldn't even remember how to spell yes for some
He
reason?
said, you know what? We should
I
have
just
this
got
baby
brain
tonight
warped.
and mess
Like,
with
I didn't
her."
get brain warped, obviously. I'm not
Well, at least
stupid.
I got one.
You guys
Bye-bye.
aren't
Okay, Mom.
stupid. I didn't get
We'll call
brain
you as soon as it's
warped.
over, okay?
I was just having a weird day. And I forgot how to spell
Okay, now we're just
yes,
being weird.
which is simply Y-E-S.
What?
That other, do you remember last time we hung out? I literally had trouble spelling S for like 30 seconds straight. Or yes. This, I have one of these, but I think I traded it to Adeline, my other friend, but mine didn't
I
have
know you don't
these.
hold the baby in your lap and strap a
I like
seatbelt
the
over you while you're in the
buttons.
passenger seat of the automobile driving a 7-Eleven. I know that.
This great mochi.
Okay, bye. Bye. Give daddy a kiss.
And that's all she has here, except for this.
Wake up.
Wait, I didn't show you guys all of her individual puppets.
That's my favorite puppet.
Starting with this, obviously it's huge.
Okay, well, anyways, guys,
Huh,
it's
come
starting
on.
to get like
Come on.
really late.
Yeah, it's like probably like almost
1 in the morning, 2 in the morning.
I
something
think
like
it's
that.
like 2 in the morning. We film all of our videos early in the morning because we want time to post them in the morning.
Yeah, so then they'll be there.
Like in the morning. Like in the morning. Like 9 a.m. the morning.
Come here. Nope, come here. Bring it in.
Oh, here we go.
Bring it in.
Oh.
Let it out.
Okay, read down the comments. Is this a coil ring or an acupressure ring?
A coil ring. A coil.
All over
coil.
TikTok, it's acupressure ring.
It's coil ring. It's coil. This is a coil ring.
This is actually a flying ring. No.
What
wait.
is that?
A flying ring. Wait.
Do you want to go downstairs and do Just Dance?
A flying ring.
Before we go to bed.
Like I said. What do you mean we?
I would assume you have written something, but you said no,
Oh.
I'm freestyling this. Okay, we're done. Because I can't do this right now. No,
I don't sleep. No, I'm just kidding.
No,
Obviously.
put that back. You're covering the camera.
You really can't wait.
Okay, well, anyways.
There's residue on the
Can you
camera.
help me start cleaning up? Dude,
Yeah.
stop. Please. Okay, anyways.
Bumps was popping, blood's coming out of your face, and you look crazy as hell, right? Lunch, right? Your crush was there, Marcy. You used to love Marcy.
Okay, anyway, so guys, thank you for watching this video. Well, actually, make sure you watch this video. I really appreciate it. If you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. I probably already said this, but I'd really appreciate it. And please comment. I just really want those comments.
Thank you, pressure ring.
I don't know. I can't express it. Well, anyways, guys, thank you so much for your support, and see you later.
While I braid her monkey noodles.